Students, chapter number 3, Advanced Features of MS Excel. Let's start. First one, database. The information stored in a tabular format, that is the related information in organized in the form of row and columns in such a way that the required information can be quickly retrieved is known as database. Now, what is record? The information represented in the row in a database is called record. It represents the complete information of an item. Third one, field. The information displayed in the columns is called the field. It represents only one category of complete information. Next one, field name. The column heading are called field names. Example, name, address, phone number, etc. Next one, data forms. Generally, we use cell pointers or active cells to enter data in the worksheet, but Excel provides us an easily features called data form to enter records in the Excel database using data forms. Enter the field name in the first row of the worksheet using different columns. Select any of the field name. Choose data menu from option. Data from contains field name among with text box to enter the record values. Type the data values in the different fields one by one. Use tab key to move from one text box to another. So with the help of tab key आप jump करके एक field से दूसरे field में जा सकते. After typing the data, press enter key to place the record in the worksheet. Using same process, add the many records as you want to. When finish, click close button to close the form. Deleting records. Select a cell in the data list and choose data from option to open the data form. Use find next or find previous button to display the record that you want to delete. Click delete button on the forms. A confirmation dialog box is displayed. Click OK to remove the records permanently. Click cancel if you don't want to delete. Searching record. Select the cells in the database and choose data from option to open the data form. Click criteria button on the data form. Criteria means condition part. जहाँ से कोई conditions आपको input करनी है. Enter the value of the field in the data from that you want to search. Click find next or find preview button to display the record in the form that matches the entered data values. Click form button to return to the data form. Sorting data. On the MS Excel, most powerful features is the ability to sort data, storing, arrange the given data which may be textual, numerical or alphanumeric, that is combination of alphabets and number in the specific order. Suppose we have to arrange numeric data, total marks obtained by students in ascending order. So this is a part of sorting data. Enter the data, data पहले feeding करना है आपको and select cells in the range. जो range है वो select करिए. Select data, then click on the sort option. The sort dialog box will be appear on the screen. MS Excel usually assume you have a header row, that is first row of the data source, which is the title of heading for the selected data. In this case total, and the corresponding option is already selected. If you do not have a header row, you can select the option no header row. The first field name, that is serial number, appear automatically in sort by change the field name to total using the drop down menu, change the sort order to descending and click on the OK button. To shorter data appears not that the order of serial number has also changed. Filtering data. The filter feature selectively blocks out data you don't want to see. Filtering a quick and easy way to find and works with part of data in a range. A filter range displays only the row and columns that meet the conditions or criteria you specify. MS Excel provides two commands for filtering range: auto filter and advanced filter. Unlike sorting filter does not rearrange a range of cells, it only hides temporarily the row and columns you do not want to be displayed. Thus, you can edit, format or print the range to the without rearranging or moving it. Use the previous table. Select cells and choose data, then filter, then click on auto filter. Drop down control will be displayed next to each column's headings. You can click any of these drop down controls to apply a filter to that drop down control for total. You will be presented with various options. If you select a certain number from the drop down menu, only the cells containing that number in the total field will be displayed. You can select all from the drop down menu to display all your data again. What is custom filter or how to apply custom filter? You can use auto filter to filter data based on specific conditions. With a custom, select custom from the drop down menu. The custom auto filter dialog box will be displayed on the screen. Click on the drop down control and total the choose in greater than. Enter the desired value and click OK. Only the cells having value of the total greater than, suppose if you enter 200, will be displayed. Removing auto filter. Selected data, then click on filter. The tick mark next to auto filter indicators that the features is on. Click on the auto filters to turn off the features. Conditional formatting. It is a feature MS Excel that sets a cell's format according to the condition that you specify. Using this feature, you can get MS Excel to display numbers in the cells in the particular colors depending on whether they are greater than, equal to or less than a certain number. You can also present data against a background pattern of alternating shades. Enter data, select cell and select format from the condition format. Suppose if you want to instance of 70 or more marks display in green bold, to do this first select greater than 70 or select 2 and type 70 in the field on the right, then click on the format. The format cell dialog box in the display on the screen. Change the font style to bold and color to green and click OK. Suppose you want to green, so click on green. If you want to color in the red, blue and XYZ, to select on the screen as per your requirement. Click OK in the conditional formatting dialog box. All instance of 70 or more marks will be displayed in bold, green, which you have entered or select from the previous window. So now, 4 questions for you. So again, who is the genius of the day? तो इस वीडियो के लास्ट में आपको इन 4 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं. तो देखते हैं कौन है आज का जीनियस ऑफ द डे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Rearranging the data in a cell in a specific order is called dash. Table, sorting or formatting. Number 2. A features that selectively blocks our data the user does not want to see it. Number 1 filter, number 2 ascending order, number 3 descending order. Question number 3. A features that set a cell format according to the condition specified by the user is dash. Number 1 formatting, number 2 conditional formatting, number 3 custom filtering. तो क्या क्वेश्चन है, सिलेक्ट करेंगे आप. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे, टू डिस्प्ले द सॉर्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स सेलेक्ट सॉर्ट फ्रॉम, कहां से करना है, व्यू मेन्यू से, फॉर्मेट और डेटा. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाई. थैंक यू.